At last some touring in Istanbul again, with some off-roading, nice view, photographs and drawings this time. I know, I'm guilty of not publishing videos for the last 2 weeks, but making videos from home is not really a joy. And honestly, getting out in this pandemic times is not really a clever idea. Especially when people are not as cautious as me. By the way, did I say that we have now about 32,000 new patients a day? Well, anyway, the irresponsibility is not the topic of today. So back to Aydos. I decided to show you Aydos as it is one of the left lakes and forests within Istanbul. Still not the victim of the concrete monster here. Here you can enjoy the forests, the lake, practice some off-roading and take some nice photos also. By the way, please don't forget to subscribe, which will also help me to do more videos like this. First of all, Aydos is directly within Istanbul on the Asian side, which makes it an ideal place for the weekend. And it is also a welcome source of oxygen in the city. And if you come within the week, it is mostly empty, which also makes it really ideal for trying out my Yamaha Tenere 700 bike's off-road capabilities. As for riding a motorcycle in Turkey, I will definitely make a video on that, and why I also choose a Yamaha Tenere 700. While having time, I started again to do some sketching and drawing. And from now on, I will always add a sketch or a drawing of mine from the places I've visited in the video. Please don't forget that I have just recently started to draw again, and hopefully will get better. So while commenting, please get easy on me. I promise I will get better. So thanks for watching and stay tuned. I will definitely continue to publish videos together with my drawings from now on. I hope so if you like them. So stay safe and healthy, and greetings from Istanbul, Turkey.